Hey guys! Welcome back, and if you are new here, I am Rizza and this is your channel for a productive and sustainable lifestyle. Since January is Zero Waste Month, today's video is about ideas on how to live more sustainably and zero waste. It can be overwhelming sometimes, but all you need to do are simple changes like the following. Number 1 is to bring your own shopping bags, because plastic is just not cool. Number 2 is avoid fast fashion. These usually has poor quality and it's always a good habit to know who made your clothes. Third is to bring your reusables. Yep, your straws. Metal, bending, bamboo, and your wooden cutleries. Number 4 is to bring your own tumbler. This saves you money and keeps plastic bottles away from landfill. On my other video, I talked about how you'll save 73,000 pesos a year by just bringing your own tumbler. Ilalagay ko rin yung link sa baba. Number 5 is to order your grocery online. I currently use Honestly. It's a grocery delivery app which allows you to order online and i-deliver na lang siya sa bahay nyo. It's like carpooling for grocery kasi marami ring ibang dalang groceries for other clients yung courier. Number 6 is switch to a menstrual cup. Because this is a godsend. Not only you keep out sanitary napkins and tampons out of the landfill, you can also save money and move freely. Gosh, sobrang favorite ko talaga to. I promise to make a pros and cons video very soon about this. 7 is to switch your toiletries into bars. Shampoo, conditioner, feminine wash, and marami namang iba pang bar options for this. And it also takes out PET bottles and sachets para sa ating mga Pinoy. Number 8, spread the word about zero waste on social media. Let's use the power of social media into our advantage, guys. Number 9, have a zero waste kit. A personal reminder for myself as well, so you have stocks in the office, house, or school locker in case you have unplanned trips, which happens to me all the time. So at least meron kang eco bags, straws for every kit. Number 10, start making your own cleaning products. I got married last November and I just moved out. Since may place na kami ni Josh, I'm looking for natural ways to clean the house. So if you guys have suggestions and recipes, let me know in the comments down below. It would really be a huge help. Number 11, start making an eco brick. Sometimes consuming plastic is inevitable, and if you find yourself consuming one, you can put it on your eco brick. I also have a video about that which I'll link down below. Number 12, buy local. This is not just to minimize on shipping fees, but this is also to support homegrown brands and startups. Number 13, start buying secondhand. Ukay! This is a sustainable way to recycle clothes and save money too. College pa lang ako when I started doing ukay. Ako naman kasi hindi ako ma-brand na tao, and as long as it works and as long as it's cute, I'd buy it. Number 14, switch to a bamboo toothbrush. Hard plastic toothbrushes takes hundreds of years to decompose. I'll also put a link down below on the brand that I use. And last but not the least, and one of my favorites, brew your own coffee. Saves money and gives you better control over what's going into your coffee. So there you have it. Yun yung mga little steps na pwede nyong magawa to kickstart your zero waste lifestyle, and it will be a challenge for sure, but you can do it. And if you are already doing the zero waste lifestyle, ilagay nyo dun sa comments down below kung ano yung mga ginagawa nyo para mabasa din ng iba. Thanks again so much for watching. I appreciate you so much, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye! Since January is zero waste month. Sige, ibag ko.
Sige ba?
Since January is zero waste month, today's video is about ideas on how to live more.